In front of me is REALME 10 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this device. Begin by opening Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now white. That means that auto rotation is definitely off. In order to turn it on, just click on the same icon again. You can also go into settings, scroll down just a bit, tap on display and brightness, and scroll down again. Then click on this switcher next to auto rotate feature to disable or enable auto rotation. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!